Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your...
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Bube, and this is definitely Bube's corner. So guys, this is a continuation of the last video. I told you guys that I'll have to cut the video into two parts, so this is the second and the last part. Okay, so please do relax, sit back and enjoy. And if you're a returning subscriber, if you're my day one, my OGs, welcome back people, welcome back. And also if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to mention in the comment section so that I can welcome you to the family personally. Okay, all right guys, see you later, bye.
This is my life. I can see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the...
Guys, yeah, we went to that place you guys saw, but like, so it's ordinary, we know it's ordinary blinds that we want to buy, and this is calling like almost 1,000 for us, so we are here to check out another place. So guys, the place that we went to now, the ones that you just saw now, they are under construction, so it looks like we've given up on this blind hunt. So for now, let's go to Walmart and pick up the chairs.
Northwest toward 114th Avenue Northwest.
That's where we're going, baby. Let's go.
See me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
So guys, we are in Post Appliances, so we're here to get refrigerators, and yeah, if you're Nigerian in Canada, you know you have to store those Nigerian foods well. Okay, so that's where we are.
Don't rush, it's a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Gotta just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you got as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you fun as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush.
Guys, so we didn't get the freezer at Coast Appliance. We are currently in the Home Depot looking for this deep freezer because it is very important. Let's go. So yeah, we finally got the freezer, but like we didn't buy it like now. We had to order for it, and at least these people, they said that it can come like within 3 days. The first people we saw said a month, and we have stuff to preserve, okay, so we couldn't wait for that a month, so it's better we go for 3 days. So we've ordered for it. We also got our window blind, which is good, so we want to try it out. We're going to try it out, and we'll see if it works. Then we can come and, we only bought for 1 week anyway, so we can always come and check for the other ones, okay? Yeah, so now we're going to West Edmonton Mall. We're so tired and hungry at this point. So I mean, like, if we decide to go home, what are we going to come to? Nothing. So bye for your we are in West Edmonton Mall now. Still scared of the escalator, so don't judge me. So yeah, we are here. I've done my video. Go and watch it on Instagram. If you're not following me, boo, follow me, okay? So we're just looking for McDonald's or KFC, just somewhere we can find what to eat. But this mall is beautiful. Like, guys, wait, I'm gonna show you guys around before people will start thinking that, oh, they're capturing us without our consent. So here, I just have to turn down and show you guys what it looks like.
Don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush.
I have my diet Pepsi, and my husband has his beer. So we ordered some stuff. I told them chicken.
Oh, chicken, yeah.
Popcorn chicken. Let me see. Oh, the same thing. Okay, now no problem. I told them popcorn chicken, not that small one that you can just throw in your mouth. But they gave me otherwise. See what they gave me.
Yes, tell them your husband said so.
I'll try as much as I can to finish this, but at the same time, I'm not praying that I finish it. Alright, guys. Hey guys, good morning. So today is Sunday, and we are heading out to go for couch shopping. Yeah, we went on IKEA. You guys saw that, to know if we can get something good. But not only that, what we were seeing was out like way, not like way, but it wasn't within our budget. It wasn't also nice. I don't know why they would always put something good on their website, and then when you come physically, like in store, to check out the stuff, it's something different. I don't know why they always do that. But we went on Facebook Marketplace and we saw this place, iFurniture. If you're in Edmonton, is in Northwest, so you can come and check it out as a newcomer. You know, you don't have much money, I don't want to waste much money, and you want to buy something nice, because I am one of those people that strongly believe that nice things must not be expensive. There are nice things in this life that are affordable. Okay. So yeah, we're going there. Hopefully what we see there will be nice. iFurniture. So yeah, let's go and check that out. Okay. And also we are supposed to, so today is Sunday, we're supposed to move like next tomorrow, that's Tuesday. So yeah, You guys, this song I've been playing in my head, in my heart, everywhere. I mean, one me. I'm in San Francisco, Jam. Well, not mind me. We're here, iFurniture. So, yeah, let me switch over. I know you guys are bored of me already seeing this face, but let me switch on. Let me turn the camera right. We went to the iFurniture warehouse, and we couldn't pick up our furniture because it's way bigger than our car. So we just we'll have to get someone like a truck to come and help us bring it to the house. So the house is just getting together. Like I can just imagine it in my head, like nice. It's actually Tuesday, so we're trying to pack all these things out, and yeah, that's just that. Guys, we are going to our new apartment now to drop the few things that we carried, because those can enter our car. Then the ones that that can't enter our car, the guy that we hired, he's going to come and help us, carry. Guys, going to come to help us and carry. So let's just quickly go and drop this one, and yeah. So we are at the house, but I can't actually show you guys everything because it's raining. So we are just trying to run as quick as we can to just pack in everything. And the mover is already at home, he's waiting for us. And you know how it works here, everything counts in hours, right? So the more hours you spend, the more money. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So guys, at this point we had already moved the big stuff and we're not left with all this small stuff. And it was already late, we were tired. I think it was past 7 p.m. Don't mind the daylight, please. It was really late, exactly past 7 p.m. So we still had to move all of these ones. And I also figured that it would be nice to do a little house tour of this house. Of course, it's now our old house. So this house would be really nice for someone that is coming newly to Canada. You're all by yourself, you're not coming with your family, it's just you. Maybe students, maybe express entry, I don't know, but you're coming by yourself. You can just stay here and start life and figure out what to do next. Now my husband had to take this house because the landlord did not really bother about rent history, which is like a big thing here. Now, if you're coming from Nigeria, how are you going to get a rent history in Canada? Do you understand? So he actually took this house out of convenience. This house was actually located in downtown, which is, which means accessibility to everything's grocery, work. It was really, it really made life easier. And yeah, it's a shared apartment, so you have a room to yourself, and you share your washroom with another person. Then the kitchen, the people that live in the top floor uses the kitchen in the top floor, then people that lives in the basement uses the kitchen in the basement. So that is how they share it. But my husband didn't have to share the washroom because nobody rented the other room. As you can see, it was completely empty. So yeah, that was our room, and this room cost, the rent for this room was about 550 Canadian dollar each month. 550 Canadian dollars each month. So yeah, if it's something you can do, then that's fine. Guys, it's just best I end this video here because I'm tired. You see this room, I need to sweep this room, we need to clean it. It has to be sparkling clean, okay? If not, initial deposit will just go like that. So but we don't want that, so yeah, we have to clean it. So but then I hope you enjoyed this moving house tour, everything join. Hope you enjoy it, and please give me a big fat thumbs up. Moving and filming is not easy, okay? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm on my way to 500. So the time this video is made, please help support me, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.